Hey guys, it's Renee. So today I wanted to share with you 2 Christmas lights home decor ideas. They're actually pretty easy to do and quite affordable as well. First, I'm going to be making the template, folding a piece of paper in half, and then with my pen, or you can use a pencil as well, I'm going to trace the shape, have the shape of like the Christmas light, pretty much like a square on top and then this shape. Once I have the shape that I like, I'm just going to be cutting that, and I'm doing this method so it looks even. So then I'm going to open it, and I'm going to be working with some like foamy paper, tracing the shape of it by just putting my Christmas light on top and then just pretty much tracing the shape as well with my pen. And I'm just going to be doing the same thing 8 times on each like foamy paper, and I used some red, blue, orange, and yellow. So I did this just to organize myself before cutting it, just so that I could see how many of each I had. But yeah, then I'm going to be cutting them. I'm going to be taking black acrylic paint and a brush, and I'm just going to be painting the square. If you make a mistake, don't worry though, you can use a Q-tip and some acetone or nail polish remover. Remove the paint. It's pretty easy, if you're working with acrylic paint, that is. And then just paint it back on. Then I'm going to be using my dotting tool. I do have the DIY for this one, and my vintage white acrylic paint. You can use white if you want. I found out of white actually. And then I'm just going to be painting the shiny part of it. You can use a toothpick as well if you prefer, but I just prefer to use this one because for me it's handy because I just can clean it after and reuse it. For some of them, I'm going to be using this Elmer's glitter glue in silver, and I'm just gonna go on top of like the white paint that I just did, and then arranging it with my dotting tool so it looks even. And that's pretty much it for the crafty part of this. Now I'm gonna show you 2 ways on how you can decorate them. For the first one, I'm going to be making kind of like a banner. I'm going to be using some rope and some wooden clothes hangers, and I'm just going to be hanging one of each color. I have 5 colors, and I'm just going to be using each color twice. And just to show you how it looks like plain and with the glitter glue, I couldn't make out my mind, so I just went for both, and I actually like them both. I can't decide. Just let me know which one you like the most. For the one that we're going to be hanging, I'm going to be using like each color twice, some double-sided tape, some tape, a black rope, and the length that you want to go for. And this is pretty easy actually. I'm just going to be first taping the black rope on the back of like each Christmas light, just with a bit of an angle so it looks like it's you know, when you're placing your Christmas light on the like Christmas tree and they're kind of like all over the place. That's what I was going for with this. And yeah, I'm just going to be doing the same thing for each color, kind of like following the colors of the rainbow, arranging them first as I want them to look, and then going in the back and just taping the rope. Doing the same thing twice until I reach the bottom part. For the leftover piece of rope, I'm just going to be doing this, just, you know, to add something cute to it. And then I just decided to add the same thing on top. I should have left that part to start with, but I realized I wanted to go for that part after I was done. So yeah, I'm just going to be adding that curve, like the detail of it. These are the 2 ideas that I want to share with you. I honestly like them both, but I think I like this one, the one that is falling, a bit better because I find it to be a bit cozier, and I guess I like the simplicity of it because again, you don't have to do much on the wall. Just put that double-sided tape and you're pretty much good to go. Doesn't need much space. Let me know which one you like the most. Hopefully you like any of them. Again, they're really easy to make, affordable, and they can add something really cute to like any room where you don't know what to place in there. But yeah, I really hope you liked them. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Check out more home decor ideas and Christmas stuff that I have on my channel. Subscribe for more. Let me know in the comments what you think of this one and share this. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you later and take care. Bye!